Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Angular video tutorial we will learn about how we can make a 404 page or page not found in the Angular routing. So maybe here you have a question that what is the 404 page and page not found. So for that, let's say you just want to open any link in your website which is not present at the moment, right? So here for example we have two routes like user, this is working fine, and admin, this is also working fine, right? So let's say we have another link for about us and contact us, but we don't have any component and the code for these pages, right? For that moment we will get an error in the console, but normal user cannot get these things, right? So for that we have to show any common pages, and we have to tell that this page is not available for the moment, right? That how we can make, and let's see, right? And what is the 404? Basically 404 is a code in the term of programming which is simply means this page is not available, right? And if you just make it Google 404 page, then you can find that simply means page not found. So now let's see that how we are facing the problem. Let's look out a problem and create it. I'm just going to make another route, let's say about, right? And its link is about, but here you can see that we don't have any about routing in our page. We have only two, which is we created in the last video, right? If you did not watch that, then you can get the link from the description box. So now let's get back here and let's try to open this about link, and here you can see that we get an error in the console that cannot match any route, right? But this is working fine with the admin and the user page. So let's try to open the about from here, but still you will find there is a similar error, right? So there should not be any kind of error, there should be a common page. So now let's see how we can do it. For that we have to do only 3 steps. We already talked about what is the 404 page. Then we have to make a component for 404 page. Then we will use it when we are not finding any route with the wildcard. And what is the wildcard? I will tell you in the time when I'm just using it, right? Because it's a very small thing. So now let's create one more route with the component. So just write ng g for generate, c for component, and put any name like page not found or anything where you just want to put, right? And just hit the enter. And here we go, we have a new folder with the component, that one, right? So first of all, let's go to the app.route.module.ts and just import it. Import something from an component path, right? So our component path is basically page not found and page not found component, and just import it, page not found, and let's make a new route. So for making the any route, we have to know that we have to put the two things. One is path. So in case of 404 path, we will use the double star here, right? And double star simply means wildcard routing, right? And that time when any route will not found, then Angular will understand that now I have to show the wildcard, the route which have the double star, right? So now just put a component, which component we want to open on a double star, so which is page not found. So now that's all, and now let's come back here. When you click on the user component, you can see that that's working fine with the similar case of admin. And when you click on about, then you can see that we page not found is here. So let's try to put any other random routes like hello, then still you will find page not found, and there is no error in the console, so that you can understand that this page is not available, right? Great. So let's try to make one more link with the HTML code. Let's put it like login or something, right? So when you try to log in, then it will tell that page not found, right? So that's all that how we can use the 404 routing or page not found. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Have a nice day.